Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to R3 TV. I am your host, R3, and today, apparently I have walked so much and so far, I have walked myself right into Camas, Washington. Now, Camas is a small but very affluent city where the average home listing can hit around $1 million. People say they have one of the best public school districts in Southwest Washington, a gorgeous outdoor scenery that I can attest to, and a charming and historic downtown. And yes, we'll get a chance to explore that together. But hold on, wait a minute. Here's where things get interesting. According to Google Gossip, there are some corporate players that have set up shop in this small community, and we are going to consider how their core values align constitutionally. That's right, in today's episode, we are going to continue as clandestine and covertly as possible to carefully consider and critique the constitutional consciousness of this Camas community. Oh man, my heart just sings when it hears a new alliteration. Sing it with me. Continue, clandestine, covertly, carefully consider, critique, constitutional consciousness, Camas community. Ah, I love it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's get it started. Oh, bad back. Oh.
Let's get it started in here.
All right, and this appears to be one of those corporate players that have set up shop here. And here are some people at the IQ Credit Union. Actually, let's stay here and see what we have. Oh, now this lady is at her desk and she's engaged in some naughty disclosures of her client's information, no doubt. Let's see what we can see there. Yeah. All right, Stealth Cam 1. I get the impression this one is, she sees me, but she's deliberately well, maybe she's paying attention now. Oh, she is paying attention. Oh, and here she comes. Now, hello.
What are you up to?
Me?
Yeah.
That's NTKB. NTKB, you think she's going to know what that is? Need to know basis. Keep up with the acronyms.
I don't know what that is.
NTKB? That's need to know basis.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Are you filming
The bank?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For what purpose?
Oh, it's NTKB.
Okay.
You don't know why?
No.
I don't know this with certainty.
Okay.
I'm not a big fan of speculation, but I'm going to step out and guess. If you don't know why, no one in the resistance chain of command let you know.
Okay.
So,
Well, I will reach out and see what's going on.
wait, where are you going to reach out to?
To my supervisor.
Wait, who's that?
To my supervisor?
Yeah, who's the supervisor?
I will let you know.
Are you going to come back and let me know?
No.
Because I don't think the supervisor's going to know. Yep, the HNIC. While she's deciding what she wants to do, we are going to take a little walk around the rest of the charming, historic downtown. This is State Farm. I think they want to play peekaboo. Stealth Cam 1, I need a sit rep. All right, I like what I see. Now there are 3 employees. 2 of the 3 have run to the back playing peekaboo, and the one is staying up front.
Who's watching? Who's watching?
Oh, she looks like she's on the phone. It looks like that secret we're calling somebody phone call. Well, she's back at her desk. She seems way more calm. So either she feels good that 911 is on their way, or someone has educated her and she can relax. That's definitely the look of, let me get his description and report that to 911.
Hello.
Hi, this is 911 on a recorded line. Is this IQ Credit Union, Camas on 4th Ave?
Yes.
Okay, so we have police on the way. Can you tell me what's going on?
There is a gentleman walking around outside our branch. He's wearing a bulletproof vest and a long sleeve green jacket and a black hat, and he's got his phone on a tripod handheld thing, walking around filming inside of all of our windows, going around the corner and then back around, back and forth.
Any weapons seen?
Not that I can see, no.
So he has a camera on a mount?
Yeah, he has his iPhone on a little mini tripod mount that he's holding with his hand. It looks like he might also have
Where's
a
he at
camera
right
strapped to his bulletproof vest, currently looking at us through the window of our branch, walking on the sidewalk. He put his phone down on the corner to video on the sidewalk as he walks. The front of his vest has a thing that says
HNIC or
the HNIC or something on it. Don't know what that means. But he's also wearing black pants and black sneakers.
HNIC?
And he looks, yeah, HNIC. And now he's waving at me to come out.
Have you guys locked the doors?
No, we have not locked the doors. Should we lock them?
Do you feel safe?
Not necessarily. Are we allowed to lock the door? Hold on, we'll check if we're allowed to lock them, because technically we're open.
Right, the first unit's just arriving outside, so.
Okay.
Looks like everyone inside that building is on the phone. There are
Yeah,
three
he's talking to himself
tellers.
outside.
There are two tellers and one, maybe a manager working out of an office. Two of them are on the phone. All of them are looking like, what the heck is going on?
Okay, it looks like police just showed up. He's picking up his camera.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Oh man, I can't complain. I hate to brag. Just living the American dream.
Yeah?
Living life, loving liberty,
Nice.
peacefully pursuing happiness.
Right on. What are you up to?
What are you up to?
Oh,
I'm here to talk to you.
other police officers.
Who told you I was the HNIC would be here? You want to talk to me? Oh. This guy's making me nervous sneaking up on me like that.
It's because you made the bank nervous. They were just
You're wearing a vest and you're
not
making
gonna rob
them
a bank,
nervous.
Wait a minute,
right?
you're wearing a vest,
Well, I do every
and I wear one every day too.
Cool.
All right.
That's your right to do so.
Yeah, thank you very much.
What's the HNIC?
What's the HNIC? It's the head nigga in charge.
Oh, okay.
Go ahead, say it.
I'm not gonna say it.
You better don't.
Okay. All right.
Well, what's up? You said you came to talk to me about what?
Seeing what you're up to. You're making the bank nervous, standing out here filming and wearing a vest. So.
Wait a minute. Why are they nervous about me?
Because they don't want to get robbed, and they were concerned. So that's why
Wait,
we're talking.
why would they think the only black man in town is going to rob
It's
them?
not nothing to do with that. It has to do with your vest.
It's just a vest.
Wait,
It's
the
typically when
vest?
people rob banks, they wear vests. That's all it is.
In all of my many years of experience, I've never known a bank robber to wear a vest.
What? Oh, look it up.
Yeah. Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the LA shootings and all that.
That's one. They had high-powered weapons, though. Most bank robbers, most armed robbers don't wear vests. They just
See the
don't.
movie Heat?
Man, that was 30 years ago.
I know, they were
It's
wearing
one of my
vests.
favorites.
Hell yeah, that's my favorite
Yeah.
movie too. Yeah.
And you notice what they did in Heat?
Sure.
They didn't come out casing the joint in broad daylight, did they?
No.
No, they didn't.
Smart. Yeah.
Listen, are you guys police officers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which department?
Camas.
Camas?
Yep.
What's your batch number?
6502.
6502? Yeah, and what about you?
6330.
6330.
Yeah.
6330.
63.
Okay.
Hired way before that.
Listen, I know you guys are both called. Somebody's primary, somebody's backup. Who has tactical command of this call?
We're both responding to the call.
It's not.
I know-
It
It's not-
hasn't
it's not-
risen to a tactical call yet, so nobody.
Who's the primary on this call?
Probably him. He showed up first.
Okay, first come, first serve.
Yeah.
Who has the more seniority, the more time in
we've
service?
both been around for a while, but I've been around longer. Can you tell by the gray hair? We're good, man.
Wait, you said you're good. You're satisfied that you're good?
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna get my car and leave.
Yeah, you need to talk to us still, or
Can I get your business card?
I'm all out.
I think I might have one for you.
So nice
So-
meeting you, man.
Yeah. So you're getting out of here?
Yeah.
Well, listen, you don't have to run off
I
just
don't- I
yet.
don't
We can
mind
hang
talking
out.
to you,
We can hang out.
Making you nervous.
Well, you made me nervous the way you snuck up on me
That's
Right
it.
here.
like that. I mean, imagine if I snuck up on you like that.
Oh, for sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
So it just, be nice.
Can I just ask you what your video, what the thing is? Are you making a show or anything, or a podcast or something like that?
Are you a streamer?
I
YouTuber?
am none of the above. None of the above. But I was going to ask you a question, but I'm satisfied in talking to you for a few minutes that you guys are pretty okay. You don't have any trigger words, right?
Nope.
All
We're
right.
just coming to check on you, man, because you made the bank a little nervous with the vest, and not everybody wears vests around here. So besides us, and
Okay. So that's still okay.
you can wear a vest.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not against the law to wear a vest.
All right. So now what's going to happen?
We're gonna leave.
Are you going to talk to them?
I'll probably give him a call just to let him know that you're okay.
Well, how do you know that I'm okay?
Well, are you okay, or are you gonna rob them? That's a simple question. Are you here to commit a crime? Or have you not decided yet, or are you? What's up?
I'm sorry.
I'm making you laugh, so that's
that's-
an obvious no, right?
That's hella funny.
Okay.
Listen.
All right. Well, we're gonna get out of here. All right.
Okay, you got things to do.
Have a great day.
All right, take care.
All right, thanks very much. But wait, you didn't go talk to him.
I'm gonna give him a call.
Well, just. All right. Tell them they're safe.
Hey, my man. Quick question. I saw you filming at the Camas roundabout down there.
Oh, yes.
I was just curious what you're.
I just walked into town and
Okay.
wanted to see what was going on in Camas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Are you not from around here?
I'm not from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you want to tell me about Camas? I heard they have a charming and historic downtown,
Hey, man.
and then they called the police on me.
Did they really? Is that what happened?
Yeah. They snuck up on me.
Huh. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I like it down here.
And I thought it was real charming and real chill.
Yeah.
And then this bank, the officer said, I made them nervous.
Weird.
Weird. Weird.
Well, you have a good one, man.
Okay. Oh, where did she go?
You know, I was just mainly asking because I just started filming content myself, just for like my business and stuff.
Okay.
And I saw you with the tripod and stuff, so I'm getting more curious about like people like filming content and stuff. And, like,
Got you.
Just seeing what they're doing and that sort of thing. So,
Got you. Okay.
yeah. Well, you have a good one, man.
You too. Take care. That was very naughty. Very, very naughty. Where'd she go? Now they're playing hide and seek behind the computers. Oh, there she is. That was very naughty. Do you feel better now? I don't think she has the courage to look back over here, even though she just waved. That's how she should have been the whole time. Well, maybe protecting her privacy, the information on the screen. But I think we've been here long enough. We'll mosey on along to the next place in this charming area. What did you say? Oh, the bank was naughty.
What did they do?
They called the police and said that the black man in town might be robbing the bank.
Stop it, they did not.
Well, that's what the officer said. I heard Camas was a very charming, affluent place, and this corporate giant has just, well, they were naughty. They had some core values that didn't exactly line up with the Constitution, and they called the police. The police came out and said, well, we're going to leave now. And now they don't really have the courage to look at me.
That is so weird. I'm sorry, honey.
All right, take care. Other than that, it's been a very good time here.
Okay, good.
All right, bye-bye.
Yeah. I can give that to you in a second. I'm going to go talk to the bank. I wasn't able to make it through their phone tree, so.
Got you. Do you guys have body cams here?
Yes, we do.
Are they running?
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah. Hello. I wasn't able to make it through your guys' phone tree.
He's now claiming that we called the police on him because he's a black man.
Okay.
That's what he told the neighbors. I'm like, no, because you're videotaping us and we're a bank. You're scaring us with your bulletproof vest on.
Yeah, he's just trying to look. He's looking to get a reaction. So, I just want to let you know, he's not committing any crimes per se. He's full within his right to record on the public sidewalk and wear a vest. I think he's just looking to get a reaction. So, I just want to let you know.
What did he say to you?
Just that
And he's videotaping you guys too? Is he gonna put it all online or what?
Probably. I mean, our body cams were rolling too. I'm not sure. So.
He's scaring us, but
I get
okay.
you. Yeah. All right.
He doesn't have any weapons, right?
Not that I can see, but
okay.
Give us a call if anything gets crazy. Just do it again if it escalates or something.
Because he was knocking on our windows and
Okay.
and I'm like, what?
Yeah, okay. All right. You said you want the event number?
Please.
Yeah, I can get that for you.
How many officers are part of Camas?
I think mission staff, I think we have about 30.
Okay. So Vancouver doesn't patrol here and Clark County sheriffs don't patrol here. It is actually Camas police.
That's correct. Yep. You mind just waiting on the sidewalk?
Sure
over there?
thing.
I appreciate it. Here's the event number for this incident.
Okay.
I didn't get your name. Do you have a name?
HNIC.
Okay.
Say it.
Not gonna say it.
You better don't.
Not gonna say it.
Take care.
All right. You
Be safe. Well, it looks like Officer Ramsey went in and educated IQ credit that they shouldn't be calling the police for people out on the public sidewalk wearing a vest. Let's mosey on through the rest of this downtown. Thumbs down to IQ credit. Yeah, one more time.
Are you looking for the cutest dog?
Oh, I'm always looking for the cutest dog in town. What's this dog's name?
Squire.
Oh, Squire, you are adorable. I thought Millie right over there was pretty cute. You are adorable.
You have to pet him or he'll
Oh, hello. Hello. You're adorable. Oh, thank you for sharing. Take care. Huh? Oh, no, he was good to go. I appreciated him. Now, that IQ bank over there, they were pretty naughty. Yeah, they were naughty. Take care.